In this short tutorial, you will learn how to uninstall multiple apps at once on your Android device. Many people find it frustrating to have to uninstall each app one by one, especially if they have a lot of apps to remove. By following a few simple steps, you can save time and effort by quickly getting rid of multiple unwanted apps from your Android device. To get started, open up the Google Play Store and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Manage Apps and Devices. And then tap Manage. Now you'll be able to see a list of all the apps and games installed on your device. To uninstall multiple apps at once on your Android device, simply select the apps that you want to uninstall by putting checkmarks on the empty boxes. Once you've done that, tap on the trash can icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Uninstall to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.